here's the app called Justalk Kids Safe Messenger. So there is separate app Justalk, and now they released another app which is called Justalk Kids. So specifically a safe messenger for kids. Control of use, video call with family, talkie float, stay connected, kids friends management, sensitive content warning, control kids access with passcode, check kids real-time location, share moments with family, bring the conversation to life, operate simply and conveniently. So it's a kid-friendly voice and video calling instantly messaging app designed to keep children safely connected with family, friends, and classmates. All communications are end-to-end encrypted to ensure privacy and protections from strangers or inappropriate content. Parent-approved friend management. Children can only add friends with parental approval. So here you have it. Safe voice and video calling. Justalk Kids supports high-quality one-on-one and group voice video calls. Walkie-talkie, push-to-talk, smart content monitoring, sensitive images of video automatically flagged and blocked. Justalk parent account, creative messaging and sharing, educational content on KidsTube, full privacy and data protection. So yeah, that's the app. It's being highly advertised right now, this app. So let's see. And then you can just open it up, and then you can sign up or log in. Multiply. There is a parental passcode, and then you can just start. So then finally you can create an account here in Justalk Kids. Then you can see how it works. There is Kids Premium, 1 month, $11 per month, so 12 months, $40 per year. So that's what it is. And also there is separate parent account. And then you need to use it. You can also add a parent account. And that's basically the idea. And finally, you are in the app. So that's the idea.